What's good, baby? We got some Bad Omens and Poppy. I know Poppy got some good tracks, some heavy hitters. I only heard one song by Bad Omens, and that was like that TikTok song, and I just heard that one part. I will wait for you at the bottom. I don't know if I should I get to Bad Omens. I don't really like that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. What we got here? V.A.N. To be a killer producer, he produces. I'm Poppy. If y'all know, y'all know.
Isn't it strange to create something that hates you?
Oh snap.
I am in your algorithm, learning all your mannerisms. I'm already level with God. I know your words a second, and I know your imperfections, baby. I'm the only feature you've got. So making diatonics, motivation.
Poppy got bars like that.
I looked in a box. Picture perfect image, more powerful every minute, baby. I am everything that you're not.
Hold on, they got a little chug going on.
Happiness is an illusion, it's an analog confusion. You are nothing more than a thought. Existential execution, just a fluke in evolution.
What?
History already forgot. You've been running from me, that did your girl second coming, and I'm here whether you like it or not. Initiated operation of your own extermination. Now it's too late for you to stop. Against nature.
Hold on, Black Hair Poppy, okay. Nah, that's crazy. That's
Everyone hates you.
that was Hardcore Henry. Nah, this a movie. It reminds me of Polar's music video for that one thing where it was kind of set up like this. This is featured Bad Omens, right? Where's is I'm waiting for you. What's his name? Noah. See here? Or do they just write the music?
Violence against nature.
Is this just Salt? Is this Salt with Angelina Jolie? Is this it? Is this what it is? You know, I like the crazy visuals. It was okay song. I was kind of, I like the break. I was kind of expecting a little more of it. I thought the Battle Beds guy would pop out and do a line or something like that. But you know, it was good. Is this more of a Poppy song than a Bad Omens song, or is it just a full split? I don't know. Bad Omens, Concrete Forever. Oh, it's Bad Omens song featuring Pop. Y'all let me know. You know, I'm always in the dark. Let me know what y'all think down below.